Tae tomedo wango iji. No kao Kenya kwanza lilo. Temoti ko idalage. En bino waburo rango wachne. Warango se ke warangi. Warango se ke warangi. Adwa wacho gimoro kae. I want to tell you and tell the whole nation that the killing during Mandamano was something which was planned in the National Security Council chaired by Ruto. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why it was planned by Ruto. Never before, Raila and myself have been in demonstrations since Kenyatta's days. There are things that happened during this Mandamano that we've never seen before. And I'll go one by one. I have never seen, even when we went to Kamkunji, that assault weapons were being used against the people. Was it an assault weapon? An assault weapon is a weapon which has got a wide range. It is for military use, and it has got precision. If you look at the body of Ward Sialaka Dual, David, the gunshot came from an assault weapon, which has never been used before. Number two, never before in the history of Kenya have I seen during demonstrations when handguns were used. Handguns can be a pistol or a revolver. I've never seen before a handgun being used by the police, and the police not in uniform. Number three, I have never seen police snipers who wait for you as you're passing by with a revolver and a handgun or a hand weapon, and you're shot from close range. It has never happened. Number three, if you look at the Black Maria they are using now, those water cannons, they are militarized. They are not supposed to be used against the people. They have gadgets and enforcements that can go through barriers. And that is only used in military operations. These cannons that we are fighting against, if you look at them carefully, they are not supposed to be used against demonstrators. Number five, since more than 60 people died, I have not heard of a police officer recording a statement. And I've been going around trying to get a statement from all these stations where there were injuries.